Okay, it is about 4:20 on May 22nd, and I'm taking a real quick video. This is the view from Tinker Cliffs. We came up this ridge over here and followed along there, and right over there was McAfee Knob. So we've come all the way across this whole grouping here. You can see down into the valley and all the way across. And there's obviously more cliffs over that way. You can see I still got my little companion here. Still haven't been able to ditch him yet, so I'm going to get him into Daleville and see if we can find him a spot to stay until he finds his owner.
Hi.